This is the underwater sniper, the archerfish. Instead of jumping out of the water to catch its prey, it shoots them down. Yes, you heard that right. The archerfish spits a powerful, perfectly aimed jet of water at insects sitting several feet above the surface. With one accurate water bullet, the insect falls straight into the water and becomes lunch. But here's the craziest part. When looking from underwater to above the surface, objects appear shifted because of light refraction. Yet this fish instantly calculates the correct angle and distance before firing. Even trained human shooters can miss, but this fish rarely does.